Hi, my name is Mark. I'm 29 years old and I'm from South East London. I started losing my hair about age 17, which was like quite young. And I had long hair before that previously. So once I started losing it, I kind of cut it short and just started wearing hats all the time because I was kind of like embarrassed and like insecure about my hairline. And then my friend recommended the clinic and said that I should come down here because I was considering getting a hair transplant and he thought it'd be better for me to get MSP. So I've just had my third session and the results are amazing. It's made me feel so much better about myself. My hairline was actually like back here, and now it's, as you can see, it's a lot further forward and it's kind of exactly what I wanted. So I told a few of my friends beforehand that I was going to be getting the MSP done, and a lot of people's reactions were just like, oh, you don't need it, you're beautiful as it is, like, it's cool, like, embrace it. Then I uploaded a picture of the before and then the after of the first session, and the reaction was like quite overwhelming. The clinic is amazing. It's like everyone that works here is really friendly. They make you feel really welcome. It's quiet, relaxing. Yeah, you could just come here and kind of just like, I don't know, like chill out for the few hours that you're here, get your hair done.